Here's a close-up look of a spec Miata. It's one of my favorite racing platforms because everything is equal and fair. A driver doesn't get to the top because they have a stronger car, because they're all the same. A driver gets to the top because they're the best. Check out these tires. They're not for the road, they are for the racetrack. They give you a lot more traction, and they probably last about 2 to 3 races. The car itself is pretty much stripped down, except for the bare essentials. This ding right here on the rim, this has got a story. That's when it hit the wall. And these gouges here on the fender, also when it hit the wall. Here's some scuffs on the back. There's a lot of contact when you're driving in these races. Definitely not a stroll in the park. This fire extinguisher, a necessity. Everything's pretty tight. That's why the steering wheel comes off and you just hang it up out of the way. Racing spec Miata is probably one of the easiest entry points into a racing career. Now, of course, a racing career is not easy. A lot of these drivers start off with simulators. iRacing is one of those simulators that is really popular. Well, I hope you have enjoyed getting a closer look at a spec Miata. Or if you're interested in learning more on how to get into racing and everything that it takes to get everything all set up, leave some comments down below. And if you enjoy racing and have enjoyed a little closer look at this spec Miata, please give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.